Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two grooming essentials. In the left corner, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil, and in the right corner, we have the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M. Let the battle begin. Let's start with the most important aspect for many of us, the price. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil comes in at an affordable $14, while the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M will set you back a bit more at $59. Ouch, looks like our Braun buddy is a bit pricey. Point goes to the Philips Norelco. Now let's talk compatibility. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil fits a wide range of models, including the Bodygroom Series 7000, 5000, and 3000. On the other hand, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M is compatible with, well, it doesn't specify. Package may vary. Come on, Braun, we need more information here. Another point for Philips Norelco. Time to discuss ease of use, folks. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil requires you to use cleaning spray HQ110 at least once a week for optimum results. Not too complicated, right? But wait, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M claims to be easy to change, just click it on. Oh, but wait, the Philips Norelco also claims easy changing. Confusing, isn't it? Let's call this one a tie. Durability is key when it comes to grooming tools. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil recommends changing the foil every 12 months for the best results. That's a decent lifespan. Now, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M package may vary. Seriously, Braun, we need more details, not cool. Another point for Philips Norelco. Last but not least, let's talk about comfort. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil promises a safe and less irritating grooming experience. Who doesn't want that? Meanwhile, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M, well, it's silent on the comfort front. Come on, Braun, we need some reassurance here. Another point for Philips Norelco. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil takes the crown in this epic grooming battle. It offers a great price, wide compatibility, easy changing, decent durability, and a comfortable grooming experience. And there you have it, folks. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil takes the crown in this epic grooming battle. It offers a great price, wide compatibility, easy changing, decent durability, and a comfortable grooming experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to the products are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.